Press the power button in the front of the scanner to turn it on. To scan original single-page documents like photographs, start by opening the scanner cover and place your original face down on the scanner glass. Slide the original to the edges of the top corner. Once your original is on the scanner and the scanner cover has been shut, open the Silverfast SE Plus software from the computer's desktop and click Start. Click on the Workflow Concept button. Make sure that the image source is set to the Epson scanner. Next, click the Workflow Pilot icon in the upper left-hand corner. Once activated, it will turn blue. Next, select your source. You can choose photo, print, negative, or slide, and for this one, we'll choose photo, and you can also select your task. Setting the task to color restoration is recommended, but each photo is different and you can experiment to see what works best for you. Next, click the blue Start button to begin scanning. The scanner will now pre-scan your original. You can drag the borders of the red scan frame to choose the scan area. Then, select the scan resolution using the panel on the left-hand side. Next, click Continue. Then, automatic correction will be applied, and you have the option to do additional color correction using the histogram and gradation editors in the left side panel. Click either to expand and edit. When finished, click Continue. Next, you have the option to apply selective color correction. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Finally, you'll want to title your image, choose your file format, save to location, and click Continue. Your final scan will now start. For more information about using the Silverfast software to scan and edit your pictures, please see the Silverfast user guide located in the Memory Studio binder, or visit Silverfast online support at helpcenter.silverfast.com. Once you're finished scanning, you can click on your photo. Here we saved it to the desktop. To save to a flash drive, start by inserting a flash drive into the computer's USB port. Go ahead and open the file browser on your desktop. Choose the USB drive, and then you can drag and drop all of your photos, in this case it's from the desktop, into your flash drive directly.